So in the final subtask of the rock paper scissors project, we're going to be changing, that is, we're going to be giving a small improvement. So we're simply going to allow the users to choose the number of rounds they want to play the match. Previously it was defined for 3 rounds, but now we're going to choose for, let's say, n rounds. So in the code, the only change is in the main function. In the main function previously, we had written a while loop saying while n less than 3, because 3 was the total number of rounds we wanted to do. But over here, we're going to give n less than total rounds, and total rounds is basically the input given by the user as to how many rounds they want to play, which you're going to get using scanner.nextEnd. So basically we are going to give n less than total rounds, and we'll be incrementing n over here for every round. And finally, when this case isn't valid, that is when n is not less than total rounds, then we're going to exit out and we're going to compare the final score using compare scores, and then we're going to print it out. So let's just run this code once. So let's say I want to play 6 rounds, and then I'm going to give rock, paper. So you can see I have won the overall match because I have won more rounds in the computer. So let's just submit this code once. So I passed both the test cases. So this was it for the rock paper scissors project, and this particular project was from our course Java Projects for Beginners, where we have 10 different Java projects from which beginners can get familiar with Java. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef, try this project out, or try out any other course which might interest you. Or if you're already watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next project. Thank you.